My good friend Vince Austin has asked me to help him out by making a ladle, quite a big ladle for some men's group that has these tepee sweat lodges, and they want a ladle. Apparently they had a lovely olive wood ladle and it's gone missing, and they asked Vince to make one for him, but of course he's too busy making much more artful pieces himself that he asked me to make one for him, which of course I will, because he's done so many wonderful things for me. As you see in the brief for it, it is required to hold about 500 ml of water. This in fact is 500 ml of water. I'd like to make it from one piece because I think that'll look more elegant. It would be quite easy to make it in two pieces and attach the handle, but I think this would be nice from one piece. I think I'll trace the shape that I'm hoping to get, and then I'll cut the bulk out with a bandsaw, and then I'll get to it with Ball Gouge and a few other tools. Now, I was inclined to impose some elegant shape over the piece, contrasting with whatever the grain is in it, but I do notice that the piece of wood has got some character. Really, the only thing is it has to hold water, and everything else is a handle. I suppose it's got to be balanced. I think the shape could be almost any shape, really. So here is what not to do. I cut it on the bandsaw, and I cut it from one side and met up with one line, and then to the other side, and I thought I met up, and I didn't want to take off too much wood, and I'm pretty sure it was cut through, but it wouldn't come apart. I thought I'll just try wedging it, it should just break apart. And of course I put a wedge in there and I hit it, and it split the whole piece all the way down to the bottom where the ladle would be. I've ruined my only piece of olive wood. It looks like I'll have to continue with something equally beautiful. It appears I've forgotten about my stash under the house, because it so happens is there are some cuttings of olive wood from none other than John Miller's. And there's this piece here which I think might be perfect for making the ladle. I could have the ladle down here, and either this could be the handle. If I want to be really crazy, this other crooked one could even be the handle. The original plan, and I was looking at it, I was thinking this could be the handle here, and there's the ladle there. But really, upon looking at it, there's this beautiful branch going up like this, and when you hold it like so, it's really nicely balanced. Now I'm thinking a really weird one with the bowl here, and you hold it above. So I think that's worth doing, because I think it'll be a lot more unusual. So this is pretty much it. I just need to put some food safe oil on it to finish it off, but fairly unusual. So there it is, the rather unusual ladle for a men's sweat lodge.